Alrighty, you know what these are? These are little straps. Just like the kitten who lost their mittens. If they had these, they wouldn't have lost their mittens or their camera lenses. Set those off to the side. This cover snaps right in. Just like that. You are golden. Set that off to the side. Now these are your CPL lenses. Pretty nice. Decent quality. Definitely need to be cleaned right out of the box. So you'll be doing a lot of that once you get this kit. But it's alright. This one here is the UV filter. This one here is the digital HD FLD 52mm filter. They all fit in there pretty good. That'll be alright. Now this bad boy, this one had the 6 lenses. Now these are gradient color. So if you can see on the hand, what color is coming through. So this one's purple, and what's pretty cool is, because I am colorblind, that's not the cool part, is this is actually labeled and it says purple. Alright, and you can spin it so you can adjust your color where you need it. Now if you can see the hand, you can see it slowly moving around on the hand, which is pretty cool. So I'll put these back in the bag off camera, just because to put 6 in a bag, I think after you put it in the bag once, you can figure it out on your own. Now here's the 1x multiplier for the magnifying lens. Ooh. There you go. Not sure how that will look, but we'll find out. Now that's the 2x magnifier. Here's the 4x magnifier. Now I apologize in advance because I don't know how good that's looking. And here's the 10x magnifier. Alright, so I apologize in advance if this looks all crappy, because I'm just doing a quick example. But eventually it will go on my GoPro, and I just picked up a metal case that's a 52mm, so I'll be using all these filters for my GoPro, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully awesome, which will be great, because then I'll just make the videos better for all of us. Alright, so here's what the kit looks like for Ultimaxx, and my GoPro videos coming soon. So I highly recommend checking it out. Go to my YouTube, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell your friends, and really, just keep checking out the videos and making videos yourself. Even if you don't think you should, try. It's worth the effort, because you're worth the effort. But look at all this new fun stuff. I can't wait to play with it. As I make the videos, like I said before, I'll show you. Take care, my friends. You be safe. Like, share, subscribe.